nature at its absolutely stunning best. Hi there, Chi here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a short video to explain what you can expect from me. But before I go any further, let me introduce myself in a bit more detail. I've always been passionate about numbers, which led me to a career in finance. And another area that's very close to my heart is financial literacy. I think everybody should be able to have confidence, to be able to look at their finances and understand what they're doing, to be able to pick up a paper and actually read an article and understand the broad message of what's being said. I think people should be able to understand what's going on in the wider community, and even if their investment decisions are delegated to another person, I think they should be able to have a broad idea of what's going on in their finances. And that's why I think this channel is going to be of benefit to you, because I intend to take what I would say are very complicated subjects and actually explain them in very simple language so that people can actually get a good grasp of the technical terms used in finances, but generally speaking also follow what's going on in financial markets. I will also touch on lifestyle, because I've been on a bit of a journey over the last 3 years, and I want to share all my helpful tips and everything that I've learned over the last, I would say, decade, but in particular over the last 3 years with you. So I'm really looking forward to that. And a little bit of background on that: about 3 years ago, I stepped away from a very defined role in the city and I became freelance. And part of the reason for that is because I wanted to wake up every morning and be happy in my soul. I wanted to understand what drove me as an individual. So I needed to understand what that would look like for me. And on reflection, I decided that being close to nature, connecting with the wider community, being creative, courageous, these were all things that drove me as an individual. So that's part of the reason why I'm creating this YouTube channel, because I want to touch as many lives as possible. And I truly think that if you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you can get an alert each time I upload a new video, you will see great benefit of that. And my content is going to be centered around finance topics and lifestyles. And I will be uploading a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Thank you very much, and goodbye.